What are we making today?
Chicken ghee roast.
Okay.
What?
Half a kg of chicken.
You have to show that now. It's marinated with salt, turmeric powder, and curd. So we kept it for 1 hour. Well, we have masala we are doing.
Huh?
Garlic 10 to 12. This one. Soaked Kashmiri chili and bedki chili both together.
Okay.
We'll make a paste of this.
What is bedki chili?
Bedki is a little spicy.
And Kashmiri?
Kashmiri only gives color.
Where is bedki from?
Bedki is from South Africa. 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon jeera. So, what they call in English?
Fennel seeds.
Fennel seeds.
How much?
1 teaspoon. Tamarind powder.
इमली का पानी.
उनके बाद pepper powder. But we're going to fry the chicken in this oil. And
Okay. Oil or ghee?
Ghee, sorry. Adding onion.
So good. Now we'll add chicken.
Yeah, adding chicken now.
What?
The chili paste we had made, now we are adding it.
Okay.
जरा सा पानी ऐड कर. अभी इसको मीडियम में रखें, सिम में रखें. The chicken has enough water and keep it in high flame.
Now not to put the lid.
No, you get burned one. You have to be stirring. 1 teaspoon garam masala. Garnish with Coriander.
बन गया?
हाँ हो गया.